So guys, what we have here is our GBPJPY. So before we get started, if you've not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, like and share. Now, if you are following this channel consistently, I mean on the daily aspect and the weekly aspect, I did analysis. So if you are watching it, you will have seen how we predicted this move downward, how our price dropped, and we also predicted how our price pushes up, move up. So that is why I said if you have not yet subscribed, click on the subscribe button so you get daily analysis from us and daily updates on how to take this trade. Now we would want to look at this GBP JPY for this week. We would want to see how the price will move for this week. In order to be able to predict such a movement, we would actually go to the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame is actually the time frame for us to actually understand this GBP JPY. So now from the monthly time frame, I'll start from here. This was around August 2019. Ever since then, we've been going bullish, right? So I mean, GBPJPY has actually been rising up. So if you look at this monthly time frame aspect of it, we are still on a bullish move, right? But we would want it to actually get to a certain level, right? As at this level, what level we clearly can see here is that price, this is the level we very much likely price will go to, and price actually reacted at this level, right? It's actually come again. We had a pullback, and that pullback actually had reacted at a certain level. Now take a look at this level here. So I mean, GBPJPY was actually rolling. It got to this certain level on the monthly time frame. Then if you have to zoom it in properly, you'll see that the price actually dropped, right? So as of recent now, the price is actually at a certain level now, and that certain level is this level here. So this is the level the GBPJPY is currently at. So I mean, what we are now expecting is another continuous bullish move on our monthly time frame. So the next level we would be expecting price to actually react to is this level here. The reason why I said this level is that, see, once price actually pushes up, we saw a pullback at that level. Once even price broke above it, price came to test that level. So above all, on the long term, we are expected to go bullish on GBPJPY, right? On the monthly time frame aspect of it, we should be able to get to this this movement. We should be able to accomplish it by this time next year. We should have hit it. But first of all, the next period and the next level we would want to take out first is this level. Once we take out this level, then the next level to be taken out is this level. So above all, we are still on a bullish move on GBPJPY. Now let's see 10 period moving average. So I mean, price is still above 10 period moving average. You all know the rules of trading 10 period moving average. Once price is above 10 period moving average, we have to go long. But if it is below it, then we have to short. So monthly time frame, 10 period moving average, we are still long. Now let's see what this weekly time frame says. So how we highlight some key level here, where I predicted the move, you can go back to confirm. Where we say that this price will actually drop again to take out this candlestick wick here. Price even dropped, we saw it, price dropped to take out this candlestick wick here. The next day I did analysis on it, I also said that price will actually drop again to actually come to this level here again. And guess what again? Price also did such a thing, right? Once price actually dropped to take out this candlestick wick here, we also predicted that price will also drop again. On the daily time frame aspect of it, we also predicted that price will come to this level to take it out, and price actually took it out. And after that movement, we started having a pullback. We expected the pullback to get to this level, which we once talked about. Not only does the pullback came to this level, it even broke above it well. Because so at first I thought once we have a pullback at this level, then maybe I'll opt out, we might drop again. But price came to that level. I was able to grab a lot of pips, then I stayed out of this trade after this price broke above it. So I mean, on the weekly time frame, we've now gone bullish. We see we've taken out this level 1. We see we've gone bullish, taking out this level, right? We are currently at this level, right? So what I'm seeing here, what I would expect to see here as we have gotten to this level is that I should see a little bit of a pullback on the weekly time frame and kind of like a bullish move. Though it will not show well on the weekly time frame. Maybe on the daily time frame, you need to be more visible. You should kind of see like a pullback on the daily time frame. Then then before we go bullish, but we will get into that later. So the next level we are aiming for is this top level here, because we see price came to this level, then a huge week occurred. Price came to this level, another huge week. So price came to this level before dropping. So we are seeing this price roll up again. So I am seeing this price come to this level. probably this week we are aiming for, and the next week, in maybe in 2 or 3 weeks time. In 2 3 weeks time, should have taken out this level. So GBP JPY, we are still on a bullish move, right? So price is still we are still to go bullish. Now let's go to this daily time frame. Now take a look at this daily time frame. So I mean, one of the reasons why I highlighted this level, if you were following this channel consistently, you would have seen how we were reacting at this level. Once price drops to this level, it pushes up. It came to this level, it pushes up. So it was, coming to this level, then it will bounce up. We predicted this move, right? So now that this price is at this level that I just talked about, I once said it that maybe a pullback should occur on this GBPJPY, then a breakout should actually occur. The reason why I said so is that there's a possibility we will go bullish on GBPJPY is if we are to go to our GBP index. I'll show you the GBP index and the GBP JPY index. For this GBP index, right, on the daily time frame, we are on a bearish move. But all of a sudden, pullback happened, and we are expected this pullback to get to this level here, and pullback actually got to this level. Guess what? Again, it actually broke above it. So once we are moving on this GBP index, the next level we are expecting it to get to is this level I am seeing here. This level I am seeing here, or possibly let's take it. Let's drop down a little bit. Let's see, let it come down to a little bit. So from here to this next level we are seeing here is about 145 pips. So if you have to see it, I also did analysis on GBP USD. We also see where I predicted that GBP to our USD we actually go bullish before it drops. So it is exactly what I am seeing on this index. This GBP we go bullish at least for 150 pips before it's actually dropped. So once we are having this bullish move on our GBP index, then definitely we will see that bullish move on our GBP JPY. So at least from here to I think if you can grab about close to 200 pips, if you can go bullish and take out this level here, which we are expected for it to move to. I think from here to this same level is about 200 pips. So I mean, it is still not bad, right? If you can grab 200, even more than 200 pips on GBP JPY, if you can go bullish, price comes to this level, then I think you've made something for the week. So GBP JPY, I am still expected to go bullish. Now take a look at this JPY index, right? So I mean, if you have to zoom it out on the daily time frame on JPY index, we'll be going bearish for some period of time, right? So it got to a certain time, price started ranging. I think on this daily time frame, it's more visible. So price was ranging within this JPY index. Once price got to this support, it would go to our resistance, drop to our support, go to our resistance. So basically, it was happening like that. Then all of a sudden, price broke below it. And once price break below support, we all expected it to come to test that support level. And price came to test that support level, and not only does it actually broke above it, it has come to this resistance level. After this resistance level, right, we are expected it to drop again. So this is the reason why we add this drop. We can take it as a drop. On this drop, we are having a pullback, right? After this pullback has occurred, we are also expecting another drop on JPY index. So by this period of time, we are seeing this drop on our JPY index. That is to tell you that JPY is now on a bearish move. And since we are expecting a bullish move on GBP index, so this is to tell you that GBP to JPY we actually go bullish this week and possibly close bullish this week. So let us be able to take out this level this week. Then the next level we should be able to take out is this, this high level. So GBP JPY, like I said, I am going bullish. So it depends on how you want to take it, your trade. So I think to enter this trade, we will go to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame will be the time frame to take this trade. So what we clearly can see on the 4-hour time frame is a bullish move, right? So since we are still on a bullish move on the 4-hour time frame, then you have to go long. Secondly, is that this price is still above 10 period moving average. So let's take a look at this movement here. Let's just assume it's from here. Then a pullback occurred. We also add a bullish move here. Then we add a pullback, right? So we are expecting another bullish move. So if you want to enter this trade on the 4-hour time frame, possibly once this price break above this previous highs on the 4-hour time frame, once the price break above it, then you can now go long and grab more than 200 pips. Once maybe probably 150 to 200 pips, then you can now close your position. I think that will be okay. I think it's reasonable for this week. So GBPJPY for this week, we have to go bullish. And let's see this 1 hour time frame, what it says. Still on a bullish move, right? So price is still on an uptrend move. So once again, like I said before, wait for this price to break above this ice candlestick wick here. So once price break above it, then we can go long for this week. So GBPJPY this week, I am aiming to go bullish.